Hey friends, if you encounter this error, the extraction operation was not completed with the error code 0x8096002A on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's what you have to do exactly. So first of all, you need to open your browser and search for WinRAR and hit enter and go to its website and then download this tool. I'll tell you later why, but let us download it first. Okay, don't buy it, simply download it. We need the free version, not the paid one. Okay, and then open it to install it on your computer. Click on install and install it. Okay, select all the files, click on OK, done, and you're done with it. Now, when we try to extract a file, let us say we try to extract this file, right click on it and do not select this option to extract all, rather go to WinRAR, select extract files, and then you can click on OK and it will extract the file. If this helps, it will fix your problem. If this does not help, then nothing will fix your problem. Other websites have suggested an SFC scan, etc., etc. That does not matter because when we are using an external software, it doesn't even matter if system files are problematic. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.